We are delighted to officially announce our latest product updates. XRY is now capable of identifying suspect data during the initial extraction process via hash matching. There's no need to wait for decoding to finish, and this will be of great use in the most time-sensitive cases. There is new integrated support for physical extraction to bypass locked two-way devices, with over 250 new KIRIN chipset-based devices added for physical bypass in this release. XRY also has a new capability to make the contents of many text-based documents and attachments searchable, making it possible to search for keywords hidden inside PDFs and similar other text-based files. XAMN 6.0 introduces an upgraded connection view, which enables you to immediately focus on the relevant persons in your case and the relationships between them. And the improved participant capability enables you to link multiple persons of interest in the same filter. We've made it much easier to visually identify the source app for messages and pictures sent within a specific app using the details views. XAMN also now has support for Google warrant returns, including all their apps and web-based services. XEC 6.3 offers detailed custom reports. You can also set reference periods so you can measure KPIs over time and plot improvements in performance. The new release comes with faster extraction support for our high-performance frontline solutions, the MSAB Kiosk, Tablet, and XRY Express. The update also includes several workflow-related improvements. As always, we recommend users download the release notes from the MSAB customer portal for a complete description of all updated capabilities and newly supported devices and apps.